Hi guys, we're here at the Pyramid for the Pink Moon Festival, and today we went early, so I'm able to see the early events, which is like the Capoeira, and then there's a Salsa inside. So check out this video to see how we enjoy the Pink Moon Festival here at the Pyramid. For the Pink Festival, and now mag-dinner sa me. We have pizza, sisig, and wings.
Ooh, what does this button do? Ano na i-vlog? Na si Cookie nag-ano?
Good evening guys, I'm here with Enrique San Juan of the Pyramid.
Hello.
So Enrique, what's the Pink Moon Festival?
The Pink Moon Festival is an ancient tradition, and over the years it's been gone and no one's doing it anymore, so we wanted to bring it back. And we're the first ones to bring it here in Cebu, and we're very happy to share it with everyone, to all our patrons and guests tonight. How are you guys?
Good! So what were your Pink Festival activities?
Well, we started off with Cebu Salsa Club with John and Jilly, that's right. And they had some kizomba, bachata, and salsa classes. And after that, we had the Capoeira by Grupo Onyao Cebu. We had the Acro Yoga Cebu presented by Jason and Sharky. And then we also had the Grupo Onyao. It's an Afro-Brazilian ensemble. Yep. And we capped the activity with pole state Cebu, so we had some pole dancing earlier on. And it was quite exciting and thrilling, and I think it might have been the crowd favorite tonight.
Yeah. They even have some audience participation. Right?
Yeah, actually have that earlier on. So it's always fun to have things like this, and we also have a lifestyle bazaar. They can avail some discounts. Ultima Skin and Slimming Solutions are here. We also have Anytime Fitness, Ultramart, Anpas, Cebu Full Sphinx, and Cebu Salsa Club.
Yeah, so since you started off the summer with this one, so what's in store for May?
Well, the Pyramid, it's celebrating its first year anniversary in May. And that's one of the reasons why we have the Pink Moon Festival, because it's the end of this year and we're walking towards our second year. So first year celebration will be in May, and guys, be on the lookout. Check out our Facebook page on what's going to happen.
So hey guys, please visit the Pyramid for exciting promos and good food, the best looking restaurant in Cebu, and of course for more activities this summer. Check them out. So.
See you
Thank you
all.
for watching, guys. And see you.